of December is across the entire planet, really. There's a massive day, a global day of action about climate change, on the grounds that kind of, while there's a lot of ideas, we need to change our light bulbs and things like that, we do also need kind of significant change by the government, by industry, things like that, right? So by doing that, in order to get that, we do actually need a democratic and socially constructive kind of amount of pressure to push. And really the Global Day of Action is quite stunning. It's like, I mean, in Iraq, Afghanistan, places like that, they have thousands of people demonstrating with all the crap that's going on there, and luckily ours is only in London. But what is happening in Bristol is they're actually sending coaches up, and I think this is something we should really be involved with as an environmentally friendly student union, as a student union that's aware and socially responsible of these issues. So what the motion tends to do really is support this demonstration, support and publicise it, so that students are aware of it, can get tickets to go along, and can come along, and also to bring the banner along as well, to say, as a student union, we're on this issue and we're behind stopping climate change. Okay, thanks a lot.
Effective as celebrating celibacy by having a mass orgy. If you want to make a difference to climate change, I think subsidising travel via fossil fuel powered consumption is absolutely ridiculous. To produce flyers via paper to put up around the place to support a march that is just going to produce a bigger carbon footprint than it's going to impact is absolutely ridiculous. I think if we were going to do a global action day, we could do far more productive things by actually, for example, riding your bike that day, or eating vegetarian, or holding in your farts. It will do far more. It will do far more than sending people via coach, supported by your money, to go to a march and do nothing. The way you get involved in democracy is next year you vote on the issues of climate change. I think we can do far more bigger things with your money as a union, and I don't think we should support this. And by having a banner in the march as well, I think that holds you accountable for being very responsible for your actions, because if you stuff up, you're stuffing up under our name, and you're making a bad name for everyone here. So I think this union can do far more things for actually reducing their carbon footprint than sending a bunch of activists who are already converted to climate change by paying your money and stuff. Thanks.
I